Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic string manipulation problem often found in coding interviews, reversing the words in a string, but with a twist. This is Reverse Words in a String Part 2. Let's look at the input and output. We are given a character array containing a sentence. Our goal is to reverse the order of the words. For example, the sky is blue becomes blue is sky the. Notice that we are not reversing the characters inside the words, just the words themselves. Here is the challenge. We must do this in place. This means we cannot create a new array to store the result. We have O of one extra space complexity. We simply modify the original character array directly. Since we cannot use extra space, we need a clever two-step strategy. First, we will reverse the entire string character by character. Second, we will go through the string and reverse each individual word back to its correct forward orientation. Let's visualize step 1. We take our original array and reverse the whole thing. The first character swaps with the last, and so on. The word sky, which was at the end, is now at the beginning, but it reads Y-case. Every word is now in the correct relative position, but backward. Now for step 2, we iterate through this reversed array. When we identify a word boundary, like a space or the end of the array, we take that specific segment, for example, YKS, and reverse it again. YKS becomes sky. We do this for every word. To implement this, we first need a helper function. This function takes the array and two indices, left and right. It swaps the characters at these indices and moves the pointers toward the center until they meet. This allows us to reverse any subsection of the array. Here is the main logic. First, we call our helper to reverse the entire array. Then, we loop through the array. Whenever we hit a space, we know a word has just ended. We call our reverse helper on that word. After the loop finishes, we must remember to reverse the very last word, since it won't have a trailing space. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of characters. We traverse the array roughly twice, once for the global reverse and once for the word reverses. The space complexity is O of 1 because we only used a handful of variables for our pointers. To wrap up, the key to solving reverse words in a string 2 in place is to reverse the entire string first to fix the word order, and then reverse each word individually to fix the character order. This pattern is very useful for various array rotation problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.